Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday, where a cold front moved in over the western part of South Africa overnight, bringing in wet and windy conditions with it. We're still expecting a bit of rainfall over the western and southern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with a strong push of cold air moving in behind that cold front, drastically cooling temperatures off through to the central and southern part of South Africa. We're expecting a large amount of thunderstorm activity in a band across the interior, from the northwest all the way through to the coast, with a large amount of rainfall, but with a predominantly sunny and dry day over the northeastern parts. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see a 40% chance of rain over the western and southern part of the country, with up to an 80% chance of thunderstorms over parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape, with a 60% chance of thundershowers as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, parts of the northwest and the northern Cape. Now, with those thundershowers, the SA Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm development, with potentially large hail and damaging wind, as well as the possibility of localized flash flooding over parts of the Eastern Cape and the Free State, and that watch also spills over into the surrounding provinces. It'll be another warm day over the northeastern parts, of the maximum temperature of around 30 degrees for Potchefstroom, Pretoria and Polokwane, 34 as we head towards Phalaborwa, with Johannesburg topping 28 and thundershowers for Vryburg and Mahikeng. You'll see a much cooler day for Bloemfontein at only 20 degrees, with that cooler air also pushing in over the Eastern Cape, 18 for Grahamstown, 21 for Bishu, but with the maximum temperature of around 30 over the KZN interior. 31 for Richards Bay, with a strong northeasterly wind. We're expecting southerly winds for Durban, with a fresh to strong southwesterly wind from Port Elizabeth through to Port St John's. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 2.5 metre easterly swell at 8 seconds. Much cooler into Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East at 22 and 17, with another chilly day for the Western Cape interior, with most highs in the teens. You'll also see a cool day as we head towards the coast, 16 for Hermanus, with a moderate westerly wind for False Bay and Hermanus. Fresh winds are forecast for Cape Agulhas, with a fresh to strong southwesterly wind from Mussel Bay through to Jeffreys Bay, and along the south coast we're expecting a 4 metre west-southwesterly swell at 10 seconds. A much cooler day is expected throughout the Northern Cape, with a very cold day for Sutherland at 7, Springbok at a mere 10 degrees, Uppington and Kimberley at 20, with thundershowers over the eastern part of the province, overcast for Carnarvon at 15. We stick in the mid-teens as we head towards the coast, with a moderate southwesterly wind between Lambert's Bay and Cape Town. Alexander Bay just shy of 20, with a fresh southerly wind and a 3 metre west-southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Rain extends through to the Eastern Cape on Thursday, with thundershowers over the eastern half of South Africa. You'll see that cold air extending through to Gauteng, the northwest and KwaZulu-Natal, with another cool but dry day expected in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.